All right, boys and girls. There's an armadillo right there. And OWA thinks he can catch said armadillo. My money's on the armadillo.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. It is Sunday morning and it's a bit chilly out. It is November. November is here. That's crazy to say that November is here. I mean, we're almost done with this year and it's just pretty crazy. But it's a bit brisk this morning. It is 34 degrees out right now. The sun is just now coming up. Daylight savings time is back, which means, it's 7 o'clock and the sun is up. It's already this bright. This is what I love. I love this time. I love daylight savings time being gone. I like it being brighter in the morning. But you saw it by the title. Waiting on Jeremy right now. We're going to have a little fishing battle today, I guess. I mean, he was talking a whole lot of smack, so hopefully I can back it up. We're waiting on him right now. I'm going to go toss the line a bit. Make sure everything's good to go, and I'll see you guys in just a second. Freaking rookie out of towner went to the wrong lake even though I dropped in the correct pin. Look at this fool. Look at this fool right here. Did you make it, son?
I finally made it.
Did you make it, kiddo? Yeah.
Wait for it.
Yeah.
You gonna get around it?
And dart.
Oh, we were fine fishing. Had a good time.
I'll put this color jig on for you. It's the Sexy Texan.
Who makes that color?
Beast Coast. We're an hour and a half in. It would be 2 hours, but you know, Jeremy was late. Hour and a half in with nothing to show. I told the guy, actually he asked me, he said, hey, what's your toughest lake up there? I want to come up and smoke you on it. I said, all right, we'll come on up and I'll show you and we'll see how we do.
Can't be that hard.
And we are getting our butts kicked. But it is nice out. The wind is starting to pick up. We're gonna head out to some deeper water. See if we can find them around there. We've been cruising around the stumps and the trees, around shallow water, seeing if there's anything up there. And if there is, they want nothing to do with us. So, you know, here we are. Man, I watched all the tactical bassing videos and they said they start pushing bait, you know, up into the shallows and the channels, and
Yeah.
those guys are full of it, man. They don't know what they're talking about.
Shut up! That was no stop on that.
a big old flat. But a point. Flat, but a point. A flat point. No, it'll stretch. See, there's the camp. There's the campground right there. So yeah, kind of. You see where that dip in the tall reeds is? That small little dip to about 2 o'clock. It'll stretch across there. Well, we'll get there eventually.
I wonder if the main channel.
That's what I'm saying. Like, once we get to this point, we can just work across. Oh, no way! Yeah! Yeah! Yeah!
My boy got him. Trolling.
I was cranking, bro. Dang, Bill, what kind of hooks we got on here? Triple grip?
I'd love to say that I was the first one that caught the fish. Unfortunately, I was not.
There it is. There it is.
Skunk is out of the boat, boys and girls.
Thank you. Mark Daniels, if you're watching, thanks, bub. That's the guy I'd like to meet. It has been a freaking grind. We are 4.5 hours in with one fish. Just one. Only one fish caught.
Stupid lake.
We're now cranking on the dam. Jeremy's throwing chartreuse color. I'm throwing a craw color. And I think the last thing that we have to do after this is go find a couple of brush piles that I know of, and we'll see if there's any fish sitting on the brush piles. But it's been...
Got some rods and reels for sale.
After that, Jeremy's selling his boat, his rods and reels. If I were you, I would swap out the reels because all of his reels are loose. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. He's not selling his stuff. He wouldn't make any money off the lose anyways. So. Oh no! See that? Oh yeah, I'm in something. I'm in something. Oh, come on. See you nibbling it.
Get him.
Yeah!
Get him.
Yeah!
No, is it bass? Is it bass? What is it?
That's a bass, sir.
Golly. Get off.
I told him over here.
You did.
Over here we're gonna find him.
And
Hey, you wanna pull your phone out and take a picture of another one for your fans?
I mean, I think it's only fair. Jerk.
You know, they're not all big. But you know what did it? The old rage buggy. Old Bama bug.
Hang on.
Oh, you sweet, succulent little fella. How I needed you.
I've had so much fun out here today. This lake is just awesome. I'm so glad you.
I'm so glad you came. I'm so glad you came out here.
Come up here and fish with you. Sure. Whatever.
Do you want to touch it? Do you want to smell them?
Whatever.
Yeah!
Get in the boat! Yes!
Fatty.
I mean, that is what we come to Oklahoma for. Oh, sorry, hit the camera. That hook was barely down there. Look at that thing. Look how fat that fish is. Look at that fish.
Heck yeah, dude.
Chunk.
I told you we'd get you one. That is a fatty. Give me your phone, I'll take a picture for you.
Right there. We're trying the last spot. And Alex said there's going to be one there. We're going to get a fish. The shaky head was digging in the grass. I'll switch over to the swim bait. Underspan, and sure enough, there it is. Not going home empty-handed, folks.
Not a boy.
I mean, my chest can's off. So those at home, just let it be known that while Alex did catch 2 fish. You know what I'm about to say.
Yeah, let it be known that even though I caught 2 fish, he caught the fatter one. That he's gonna go back to the ramp now and not give me a chance to catch another.
Well, boys, time to go. All right, boys and girls. There's an armadillo right there, and OWA thinks he can catch said armadillo. My money's on the armadillo.
I would have had him.
Did you see that
I was right on top of him.
Did you see that thing jump? Oh my god.
That's it. We're done. Hey, and Jeremy,
Boy, was it fun.
we came out today on one of the hardest days. We talked about this a second ago.
We did, yep.
Last night was a full moon. And not only was it a full moon, but I mean, the moon was still up when I got here this morning.
Like the fullest of moons.
This lake is notoriously tough, and I know it's extremely tough, especially on the days of a full moon, the day before, the day of, and the day after. It's extremely tough on a full moon.
Yeah,
I didn't want to tell you that.
There was ice in Oklahoma a couple of days ago.
Yeah, yeah.
So.
Crazy cold front. I mean, we can make all the excuses in the world, but the fact of the matter is, we caught fish. I caught more. I mean, but who really cared? He caught the bigger one.
Numbers,
but technically,
size, numbers.
Technically, I caught that fish too because I told him where.
You did.
Where
I'm not gonna,
to go.
I can't take that away from you.
Fish.
He did. He said, "We're gonna go up to this brush pile. There should be fish here."
Yep.
And there was.
Yeah.
There absolutely was.
Exactly.
I mean, you had 4 casts at it first.
Yeah.
But.
Yeah, but I mean, I was slow dragging. It was
true.
different presentations.
I saw him shake it off a couple of times, and then he was like, "Okay, now the fish is ready."
And I went and told him, like, "Hey, now just eat that swim bait instead of this rage bug." And to cap it all off, I told you I could catch an armadillo, and well, I about caught that armadillo.
And pretty darn close. Pretty darn close.
Dude, thanks again, man.
This is a ton of fun.
It was a freaking
We're gonna
blast.
do this next time, though. It will be in Texas.
Yes.
Next time.
Comment down below where you guys want us to go fish in Texas. Texas.
And by then we'll hit puberty.
Maybe. I don't know. Guys, I'm going to put all of his channel stuff down in the description. He's famous on Instagram, so I mean, you're probably already following him on Instagram. The guy's got like 35
I'm sure by
million
now
subscribers.
they're probably unfollowed by now.
Guys, that's it from me. I appreciate every single one of you. I'll see you next time we're on the water.